All right, good afternoon, everybody. And what is today's topic? Well, this is coffee and questions. We won't have coffee like I've always said, it's in the afternoon. But we were reading on the forum and somebody said, hey, I wonder what's a quick, easy project when you have like a younger son or daughter. I take out in the garage and you could make something that they would enjoy making and having fun with. Well, if you go back and look at my videos, I showed you how to make a can holder look like a skeleton's hand to hold like a drink cup in. Now that's a good project to take out, and have some fun with your son or your kids and get them interested in making things. And they can come up with their own ideas while you're out there helping them, just to make sure they stay safe, because they are going to be around a welder or a lot of, equipment and dangerous tools. So assuming that they're older and you're going to be with them, what are some good ideas? I'm going to change the picture here. I'm going to throw up something else that somebody on the forum had done, and they took a picture of it, and I thought it was a good idea, and it was something that a lot of people on the forum who have kids seem to really enjoy having fun making and goofing around. So let me change the picture. We'll get right after it, and we'll answer some questions. Okay, here we go. Okay, so where do you get the nuts and bolts and stuff like that? You can get them at the hardware store, find them in your scrap tray. I don't know, wherever you can. As far as the arm part of this, if you don't have any real long bolts, you can use some cold rolled steel or pretty much anything to make the arm part of this. It's just what he did, and he brought it down. He's that little stubby nut over there on the far left. But I thought it was kind of a clever thing. I mean, he went ahead and did this. You can go back and look at my other video. You could actually make it like this. You can turn it, and then you could put a plate underneath of it. I'll show you in that previous video, and you can make a drink cup holder out of it, or you can make this out of anything that you want. It doesn't have to be these carriage bolts. Whatever nuts and bolts and things you have laying around, you can experiment and do it. Have some fun with it. Your kids will enjoy it, and it gets them out of the house and gets them involved in something that's fun to do. And at the same time, you're teaching them how to use tools and stuff. Okay, there's nothing really to this in terms of questions. This is not a serious project. This is just something you can have fun with your kids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip video. Hope you click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, keep following me, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.